everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my Robinhood stock portfolio started in China. I am currently in China. I am in Jinhua, Zhejiang province. All right, it's about from Shanghai, 1.5 hours on bullet train to get here to come see me. If y'all want to come see me. Anyways, let's get right into it, you guys. So the goal for my portfolio is to create another source of income for the future. I want to hold these stocks for about 5 to 10 years on dividend income, and make that extra cash come in, extra cash flow come in, which would be very nice. And a quick disclaimer for you guys before we get started. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for entertainment, inspiration, and educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. I'm only sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Please consult an appropriate advisor and do your own research before making any decisions on anything. I am not responsible or liable for your actions you take. Peoples, do your due diligence on stocks, companies, and life. Anyways, let's get into it. My mini targets for my portfolio. So as you guys see here, is to make $1 monthly, make 5, 15, 30, 60, 100. So this, this is what my mini goals are for within a year to make this. So as of right now, I hit my target to make $1 a month. So I'm happy that my first dividends, which I'm like, yes, so stoked. I'm happy. It may be small, but in time it will grow. And I hit my second target to make $5 monthly. So I'm happy there too. I'm like, yes, score. My next target is to make 15 monthly. That is my next target every month to make 15. Followed by 30, 60, and 100, and so on. I want to get to at least like 1,000 a month or more down the road. So, and I'm currently in China, so I'm not in the U.S. I'm not working in the U.S. I'm working in China part time here, and sending money out of China to the U.S. It's a hassle on itself, and to like get money, it's just like man, I gotta pay fees. I gotta pay fees. I gotta pay fees. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so let's go everyone to my portfolio. All right. So this is my portfolio sitting at $774.40. So I started this portfolio. I'm gonna go back and look at all my history. So I started this portfolio on April 2nd, 2020. So a few weeks ago I started this. As you can see, it's been going up, down. As you can see here, it's going up, and it peaked here. I was like, oh, 396. Oh, it's very nice. So plus $400, which is quite nice. I'm like, oh yeah. And then here, and now we're on May 11th, 2020. All right. So now let's go into my stocks. So here we go. This is what I have, as you guys can see here. So let's get into it. So I have ECCG, I have BGCP, EPR. I'll make a video on EPR. CCL, Carnival Cruise, GLP, Burr, WFC, AT&T, NRZ, OK1, KBWD. It's an ETF. MDP, GNL, LEG, SPG, IEP, PBA, GEO, CXW, MAC, not MAC as a cosmetics, but MAC as a REIT, BA, Bank of America, North American Tanker, SY Financial. All right, guys. So this is what I got. And before we get into the dividend portfolio, I want to tell you guys about this. You guys can get a free stock by using my link. So you guys get a free stock and I get a free stock. So there's a link in the description below. Feel free to use it if you guys want to get a free stock and all that. It's free money as I see it. You can't go wrong with free money. So now let's get into my dividends, what I'm getting and what I bought. So here we go. Go to my history. So currently pending as right now is a dividend from Wells Fargo. This is for the month of June for $7.65. I'm like, yes, score. Dividend from EPR at $5.74. Dividend from New Residential Investment at 15 cents. Dividend from One OK at $1.87. This is my deposits. So this is what I bought. Wells Fargo 2 shares at $25.53 for $51.06. Going down. Another share for $25.99. I got MAC 3 shares at $6.62 for $19.87. North American Tankers, I got 1 share for 482. Mac, again, I got another 5 shares at 670 for 33.48. Another share on Mac at 678. Wells Fargo, 2 shares at 25.84 for 51.67. I got AT&T 2 shares at 28.96 on May 7th. Going down for May 6th, I got a share for Mac for 6.58. I got a Geo 1 share 11.16. I got BCG at 2.79. I got Signature Financial for 1 share for 17.50. I got Geo 1 share there for 11.28. I got APR 2 shares at 27.03. Another share APR at 27.04. I got BCG, another share of BCG at 283. Tankers, Wells Fargo at 25.73. And 2 more shares of Fargo at 25.90. Going down, as you can see here. As of right now, I'm just building up my positions in Wells Fargo and a few of the companies, so I'm stacking up on those to build some positions up on those. And as you can see, I got a dividend payout from Eagle Point Credit for 640. This is a monthly one. It's quite nice. I'm happy there. All right, I'm gonna share with you guys one stock that I'm looking at to get some more shares, which is Wells Fargo. It's at 25.43. The dividend for Wells Fargo is 51 cents. So it's a quarterly payout. So you get the annual was 204, which is quite nice. And I'm gonna share you guys. So going back here, let's go back to my portfolio real quick. Wells Fargo on March 23rd was at 25. Where is it? Let's go back 3 months. Here it is. Let me find here it is. 23. Wells Fargo on March 23rd. Where is it? Was at 25. Where is it? 20. Yeah, 23rd. Was at 25.23, I believe. That was a low. And as of right now, it is low. Back to its March lows, which is quite nice. Like, what? And on March 9th is at 33.08. I was like, oh, I'm not buying the stock. But it might, Wells Fargo might dip down a little bit lower. And if it does, I'll get some more shares of Wells Fargo for sure. But I want to show you guys an article that I found on Wells Fargo. Pretty funny. And that's in the NASDAQ if you guys want to look at it. Wells Fargo is one of the ugliest banks on the planet. I have to agree with them. You know, this stock has been battered. It's literally dropped down like 50 to 40% from its highs. And this stock was trading at, if you look at like go back 5 years back, all right? Let's see if it loads up. Oh, come on. You got to load it. Oh, it's even not loading. So look at 5 years, right? 5 years. So if you look at here, it's above 40, 40, 40, 50, 40. So above $40. And then of course the black swan came around and pretty knocked it down on his shoulders. So it's back at 25. So it is, and it suffered. It's from scandals, from fake accounts, and now another one is from PP loans. So I'm like, damn. But if you're a long-term holder, this stock may have value for you. But like as I said, I'm not an expert. This is just my opinion on this. But do your research on this one. But I am gonna get a bigger stake, getting more shares of this for myself, of course. But anyways, that's that for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll answer them. I'm brand new to all this, so and I'm currently in China and I see they rebound and I see the malls coming back to life, restaurants coming back to life, and there's economic impact here as well as I see it. Some businesses are closed, some are not opening at all, some are reopening but using social distancing, masks, scanning, sanitizer, and all that other good stuff. But besides, and feel free to get your free stock and smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll put up some more videos. I want to put videos up on Monday and Friday when the stock market opens and when it closes, and whatever I buy in between, I will share with you guys, and whatever I sell, I'll share with you guys. Pretty much transparent. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.